So yeah, similar sort of thing. Keep plenty of movement in there, but keep it kind of subtle. I won't be throwing a gimbal around a situation like that. But like you were saying, if I can get an actor, I can follow them into the apartment and then like go through a scenario, just have them sit in the living room, get some shots of them from different angles. I'd want to, particularly if this is particularly high end and there's quite a nice view, I'd want to be there at the right time of day for the sun. So I'd ideally want a recce beforehand, so I can know where the sun's going to be at different times of the day. I've got a really useful app called Sun Surveyor that you can use to project where the sun's going to be over your camera lens, find out where it's going to be. Depending on how much budget and time I've got, I might be going a bit overboard. But the view here is really nice from the bedroom window, and it might be the wrong time of day to get a decent amount to balance inside and outside. So if I can put ND on the windows, it depends how high budget this is.
Seeing that shot back in the living room there with all the windows, and I was like, slightly freaking out about trying to.
You want to see the view. You've got inside as bright as outside.
They've just informed us that they have variable ND windows in this luxury apartment. So
I'd want to show that on camera as well.